This this is no oil. This is coolant. A really dirty coolant. This coolant was on this truck over here. It looks red now because I just replaced it, but before it looked black. I replaced new coolant. This is the new coolant I installed it on it, but I don't know why it doesn't have oil. It doesn't have oil, it doesn't have transmission oil, it doesn't have anything. It is just black. See? It looks brown. It looks like something went in it, or someone did something to this. I don't know, but it looks super bad. It doesn't have oil, nothing at all. So that's why it's so weird why this coolant is all like that. Anyway, it has new coolant already, so that's good. So it is ready to continue working, but this is not good at all.